Okay, it's Tool Tuesday. It's tool day today. I'm a tool today. Today is my tool day. Tools today. Today's tool day. Today's tool day. We're gonna go over electric drill. The bottom part of the electric drill is where your battery goes in and out. Just snap it in. Make sure it clicks all the way in. In it, ready to go. Why isn't my drill working? First thing you should check is that your battery has power. If not, go charge it and come back to your project later. Next thing is the trigger. To pull this to make it spin. These buttons are what's going to change the direction of your drill bit. If you have the right side of it pushed in, the drill bit will spin clockwise. If you push in the left side all the way, it'll spin counterclockwise. Hi, baby. There's a place in the middle. You could go either left one more or you could go right one more. That middle piece will have it neutral. It's not going anywhere. Counterclockwise, it's taking a screw out of the wall or furniture. Counterclockwise, or to the left, is going to take a screw out. If it's spinning clockwise or to the right, it's going to push a screw into the wall. This is your drill bit. You can change this part out. You can take it out, you can put new ones in, different ones for all different applications. To get it out, switch the drill like we went over before. You're going to switch it to go counterclockwise. And you're gonna grab onto this front portion. You're gonna grab it and hold it. And sometimes they're like a little junky and it's kind of hard to get it actually to start going. But you're gonna hold it tight and you're gonna squeeze the trigger. And see how what's holding that is opening? So it's gonna open up. It's gonna open up so you can take your drill bit out. And you figure out what part you need to put in it. Put it in. You hold it tight again. Switch it to clockwise, or that it's drilling it in, and you're going to tighten it around that. Ideally you hold it while you tighten it, but just so you can see how it's tightening around it. Then when it gets a little tighter, hold it again and finish tightening it so it's really secure in there, that you can't hold it anymore. It slides in your hand. Now you have a new accessory piece. When you're done with your project, leave it in neutral. Put it down and leave it, especially around kids. This part of my drill is magnetic, so yours might be the same way. And that's the basic function of an electric drill. There's some more in-depth options you can play with while you're screwing. You got your battery, your trigger, your directional button, how you switch it out or put it back in, and then your drill bit of choice. And that's an electric drill. If I have something like this, I can install a screw. So I line it up. Some electric drills are a little magnet, which helps. Line it up with where you want to screw in your screw. You want to try and make sure this line is as straight as possible. You don't want to be like this. You don't want to be like this, because it'll likely snap off while you're drilling. You'll hurt your hand or your surface. Put it in, line it up, try and keep a straight, level surface. Push gentle but firm. And you want it rotating clockwise or to the right. And if you're comfortable, you can go faster. Or if you're not, just go slow and controlled. And I'm gonna remove the tip, just like I showed you before. Put a drill bit in and tighten it around it. Now drill bits like this are meant to make holes. Same thing. I'm gonna line it up, try and keep a straight angle. I switched it back to rotating clockwise. I'm gonna go slow and controlled. I can go faster if I'm comfortable, but right now I'm just comfortable like this. Drill, and it goes right through. Keep rotating while you take it out to make a nice clean hole. There are two ways you would use your electric drill. Our screw and our hole.